Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces Queen. It has been a very long time since I've made a real video. I make a lot of shorts, but I have got to start making regular videos, and I was waiting for December. So if you're seeing this video, that means I am doing Vlogmas again. Even though I said I wasn't going to do it, I think I am more prepared this time to do Vlogmas. So I am starting a new series. I've never done a series, so I'm starting a series. And this series is called, it's called the Rainbow Series, which means I'm going to take different color wigs and match my makeup how I would like it to wear with this different type of wig. So in today's video, I am doing my first look, which is with a rainbow wig I've had a long time ago. And if you went back and watched my old videos, you will see that I've already done this hair, but I will link that video below if you want to give me that view and check it out. It's an old one before I start, really having people talk to me back to my channel and stuff like that. So anyways, so if you are new here and you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the look and what would you have done different if you would have done anything different. And is there any video suggestions that you have, please leave them below. Also, I want to give a shout out to my gang, which I haven't done in a very long time, which is always Danny Monique, Hood 804 Gaming, Bags 804, Cool Cam 30. See, it's been so long I forgot. Tawala Cole and Making Money Monique. Also, giving a shout out to my children channels. All channels will be on my channel tab or listed below in the description box. So do check them out and let them know that I sent them, the queen has sent them to check out their page. Oh, I do have a new member now. His name is DC Swagboy 80, and I will definitely leave his channel below. He's a gamer. He's just now starting to post, but he's been gaming forever. So do check them all out. And I thank you guys for watching.
That fine for you. I do that 3 more times and can I testify for you? I told her like you, that bitch I do it. All that I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I got it. I've been scheming, doing, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Are you fucking on me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me and you the main one? Are you threatening to me then I'm the main one? Just trying to be your everything, main one. Are you fighting on me and I'm the main one? Are you blaming on me and you the main one? Are you blaming on me and I'm the main one? I can't lose when I'm with you. lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody who body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f*** your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused, everything got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga, it's like getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Keep falling behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. Out of the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you run in the Benz and a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know walk her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I brought everybody go. Lost in choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the collar, the foot or something. I'm broke, see it's about 5,000 months. Got the bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't run from my collars, we second up, wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them drip with the nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, still at the new BM up. Think I'm deaf, got clothes in my right or left. And you check out the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling through me in the prison. 150 trying, rich and mellow. But the game until it's empty. Look, cause I'm spitting flavor to the empty. I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I gon'